Volunteers with hospice are extremely important. They are part of our team. They provide so many services, and they bring with them a lot of experience and skills and that they can share and build special bonds with our patients. A lot of volunteers who are in our program actually came to us because they've had a loved one in our program, and this is their way of giving back.
It would definitely be difficult for us to be able to get together and work without volunteers. The assistants would not be able to take time because our desks have to be covered at all times.
The guilds are such a driving force in our fundraising efforts for Southern Ohio Medical Center. Their history, what they've done for our facility, not only when Southern Ohio Medical Center, when it was Mercy Hospital, or when it was Saito Memorial, or even back to when it was the old General Hospital. The things they have done as groups, the projects they've funded, the volunteer hours they've given, they have gone and created programs, events in our community. They found projects in our community with the hospital at focus.
These people do the little things that truly make a difference. You know, there's a saying that I can remember that I read when I first started as a volunteer coordinator. It was like, those who can do, those who can do more volunteer.
Caring is probably the most important word in my volunteer language because they care. They care for each other, they care for me, they care for every person that walks through that door.
I just truly couldn't do it without them. And I want them to know that we love them and we care about them. And we love all the volunteers. I mean, you see them going down the hallway and they always smile and carry on at you and stuff. And that's just a good feeling, and it's a positive feeling for SOMC.
I have just a couple letters that volunteers had dropped off to my office just to express how much volunteering means to them and how much the program does. The first one is, I've been a volunteer for SOMC since 1960. I love to work with people because I love people, and I love to keep busy. Being a volunteer is very interesting because it's something different all the time. I've met a lot of good friends, and as they say, I wouldn't have missed it for the world.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your absolute energy and excitement that you bring to my job.
We value them tremendously. They make our department what it is. They make our service line what it is.
Time is a gift, I mean, and to give that to us is just amazing. I mean, you could have so many other things to do with your family, your friends, but you give that opportunity to SOMC, and I just am very thankful.
Those little things that our volunteers add means a lot to our community. Our volunteers give so much of their time just to the employees. I mean, they help us out tremendously, but then they give to the community tremendously because just knowing they're there, they truly represent SOMC in a great way.